Alright guys, you've probably seen the teasers on social media, but I am sitting in my new rock bouncer. We call it Knucklehead, and there'll be a full build video out on it very soon. But for now, watch me take it to one of my favorite events, RBD, and I didn't cut this thing any slack. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss this. But no one likes to party as hard as the guys in that excursion. That's awesome. All right, you might be asking yourself, what in the world is RBD? Well, it is Ricky B Day. It's Ricky Berry of RCV's birthday party. He has about 2,000 of his closest friends that bring rock bouncers, Jeeps, Razors, you name it, all to Hawk Pride Off-Road Park and just trail ride and have a good time. We get pretty rowdy. Now, something you can pretty much guarantee every year at RBD is it's gonna rain and it's gonna be a muddy mess. Well, one thing that helps with that is I always keep a can of WD-40 multi-use product in the trailer, and before a muddy event, I spray the entire Razor and rock bouncer down. Not only does it make everything shine up and look nice, but it makes cleanup a lot easier. Well, RBD is usually just a little trail ride, everybody just ride around having a good time. Well, I made a post on the old social medias and said we're gonna come get the wall at 1, and the party's already started. That's a good little adrenaline rush right there. That is steep. And there's like 3,000 people here, 4 people willing to hit it. Well, a little update. I guess no respect. The old Bounty Hill's too easy for everybody, so they're over here cutting trees. making a new line. This one looks like fun too.
I'll try and push it to the left side.
I don't think he thought his first try was going to go quite like that. Whoops. Yeah, I'd say that'd make a pretty good trail right there. The new Bounty Hill.
I get all my car parts from Lowe's too. Alright, y'all back up. She thinks she's back. You got that Stanley tape measure pulling you out. Yes, sir. Panama City Beach, here we
They got helmets on an excursion. This is going to be good. You got to hit it harder than that. You got it! You can say that you like to party, but no one likes to party as hard as the guys in that excursion. That's awesome. They call this ledge right here, but it's pretty cool. To make it up in a razor buggy, it's pretty impressive. I'm gonna have to try it in the bouncer now. there it is, folks. I beat on the Knucklehead buggy all weekend long, had 0 issues. I cannot thank the guys and Jake in the shop enough for building this amazing machine. I can't believe that a rock bouncer can ride this good. It's freaking amazing. We trail rode, we rock crawled, we rock bounced, we went fast through the woods. Like, it is just hard to beat one of these. Now, if you're in the market for a rock bouncer and you want one that you can trail ride, rock crawl, and hit the bounty hills, hit us up at Bust Knuckle Off-Road.